Wait, do you see my heart on my sleeve? It's been there for days on end, and it's been waiting for you to open up yours too, baby. Come on now, I'm trying to tell you just how I like to hear the words roll out of your mouth. Finally say that it's always been me that's made you feel a way you've never felt before, and I'm all you need, and that you never want more. Then you'd say all of the right things without a clue, but you'd save the best for last, like I'm the one for you. You should know that you're just a temporary fix. This is not routine with you. It don't mean that much to me. Oh, just a filler in the space that happens to be free. How dare you think you'd get away with trying to play me? Yeah. Why is it